It's the LP.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Y'all know who it is. Check it. Yes, I'm back with another one, still on the ground for cash. Been putting work, got flow that is everlasting. These fucking fags used to diss, now trying to rap and ruining the game. Ain't no need to take the mic break. Call me the sky, cause I'll always be above you. Comparable to flame, cause he is all I produce. Fucking swag if the lyrics ain't popping. If you thinking that you hungry, then I must be starving. I've been there, I done that. You know me, I run rap. You talk shit, I do that. I make hits, you make trash. So you better get out the way. It's LP, motherfuckers. Yes, I'm here to stay. But hold on, wait a minute, homie, I ain't done. Like a dude on E, bitch, I ain't come. It's just the beginning. Well, you can say an intro. I can sell this album, it's only instrumental, and it'll still sound better than y'all shit. Like I rip and you rap and just sound exhausted. Yours is garbage, so I must be the trash man. You full of shit, just like a trash can. Say some embarrassment and stop this rapping. Y'all just sound retarded with all the yip yapping. You sick, man? I got the antidote for that. You never catch me slipping, kinda like the Zodiac. I'm back in this movement, just started. If you ain't rolling with me, then I guess you're the target. I told you motherfuckers it'd be hard to forget me. One line on my rhyme and now you hooked like a crack fiend. It's LP, motherfucker.